Hey everybody, I'm here today to do a review of this microfiber windshield cleaner. This actually cleans your windshield super easily, and I'm going to be reviewing it in this video. This is what the cleaner looks like, okay? You can see right here, it has this handle, okay, that's nice and long, and it swivels back and forth depending on which way you want to use it, okay? In addition, the actual cloth, the microfiber cloth, whoa, we just dropped it. In addition, the microfiber cloth actually comes off, so you can put it in the washing machine and clean it if you want to. I actually have the packaging here, right over here. So this is what the packaging looks like. It says microfiber windshield cleaner. It's by CTG TV brands, and you can see it says cleans windshield faster and easier than ever. In addition, if you take a look at the back, it shows you that you can also use it as a household cleaner for windows and stuff like that. Now, it's really convenient, and I'll tell you why. I bought one of these with my old vehicle, my 2009 Honda Civic Si, because I wanted to keep the windshield clean because, you know, you get that layer of film built up on the windshield, and basically, you know, it makes it hard to see through the windshield. And in my Civic, when you went close to the dash, it was like really narrow. I couldn't even like fit my fingers there almost. So this allowed me to clean it. In this car, it's not as tight, but the difference is that this is my Honda CR-V, you know, and I have to reach up there. This makes it much easier, and I'll show you how. So you take it like this, and look, I can reach all the way down there. So I can clean all the way at the bottom. Now, usually when I clean the car, I have no problem cleaning this over here, this area. But when it comes to cleaning down there, I always have difficulty. This allows you to get all the way, look at that, down there. It allows you to clean it super easily, okay? Like I said, the handle is ergonomically correct, okay? And the one that I'm reviewing, that brand that I showed you, is the one that I got recently. I believe I bought it from Canadian Tire, but I've had a few different ones over the years, and they all work so well. So, you know, this is definitely something that you should invest in, not only for keeping your windshield clean in terms of having a clean car, because I don't really care about a clean car. My car is a mess. I have young kids, and I eat in the car all the time and stuff, so my car is quite messy. However, and you know, the kids bring toys in the car and stuff like that, so it's quite messy. However, I do care about being able to see through the windshield, and that's important for safety. So even if you don't care about a clean car, it's definitely worth investing in one of those. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.